Welcome to Kaimuki and Kahala, where the essence of Hawaii's lifestyle truly shines. From the historical charm of community of Kaimuki and the luxurious estate and beachfront property in Kahala, this is the area that some people want to live in. On the weekend, there's a KCC farmers market for people to purchase local produced fresh vegetables and food. But it's not just about the hustle and bustle. Kaimuki also offers a laid-back vibe with plenty of green space and parks where families can unwind and connect with nature, such as Diamond Head Hiking Trail. The neighborhood of Kaimuki and Kahala is friendly and quiet. In the later afternoon, you can see the people walking their dogs on the street. The price point here of single-family house is $1.3 million. You will find residents living in the Hawaii dream, relaxing on beautiful beach, tending off the champion golf course, and hang out with your loved ones. Discover the best of Kaimuki and Kahala. You will love this neighborhood. Mahalo for joining me on this journey.